Hello friends, today we are going to talk about the geometry. What is geometry? Geometry is nothing but geo means earth and metry means measurement. In the ancient time, we use geometry to measure the things. Geo means earth and metry means measurements. Okay. In ancient time, we use the geometry to measure the things or to measure the land. Okay. So this is all about the things. For example, we are using the geometry at every walk of life. Okay. So in the geometry, Euclid has divided the two things. Okay. He said that there are two things, which one is a axioms, axioms and another postulates. Okay, so he divided two things. First one is a axiom and second one is a postulate. So today we are going to talk about the axioms. Okay, what is axiom? So first axiom, let's talk about the first axiom. Things are equal to the some things are equal, also equal to the one another. For example, I will tell you here. But we will talk about one example of this first axiom. Suppose A is equal to B and B is equal to C. It means that A is equal to B and B is equal to C. First thing is equal to the second and second thing is equal to the third. So automatically we can say that A is also equal to C. Is also equal to C. So this is nothing but a first axiom. Okay. So now we are going to talk about the second axiom. What is second axiom? If equal are added to equal, the whole are equal. It means that if we add, suppose we have 2 is equal to, and if we add a 3 in one side, so automatically if we have to automatically at that time we have to add 3 in the other side also. So what will be the answer? Side it will be a 5 and even this side will be a 5. So this is nothing but the second axiom. Okay. Next, third axiom. Let's talk about it. If equal b equals b subtracted from equal, the remainder are 0. Means that if we add, suppose there is a 5, 5 is equal to 5. It's a statement. Okay. If we minus 1 from 5, then we have to minus from this side also 1. What will be the answer? 4 is equal to 4. And this is about the third axiom. So let's talk about the fourth axiom. Things are coincide with one another, are equal to one another. For example, I draw here one line segment. Just name it AB and next CD. Okay, we have drawn here two line segments. If this CD line segment is just coincide with the AB, I mean to say that if A is coincide with the C and B is coincide with the D, so we will say that both line segments are equal. That is nothing but the fourth axiom. Okay, so let's talk about the another axiom. Axiom: the whole is greater than the part. What is the meaning of that? The whole is greater than the part. It means that I will tell you one example. If we have one rectangle, for example, A, B, C, D. And if I divide it in the 4 parts like this, so this is a 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we have 4 parts. Okay. Now we have 4 parts. And if I suppose A, B, C, D. Sorry, let's take another points. A, E, F. Just take any points. Okay. F, E, F. Okay. So this is A, this is B. If we talk about the A, B, C, D, here A, B, C, D is greater than A, B, C, C, and F. Why? Because A, B, C, E, F is the part of this figure, and A, B, C, D is the whole for this figure. Okay. So always whole is greater than the part. Is that A, B, C, D is the whole part, and A, B, C, A, B, E, F is the part of that whole things. So just because of that, we are saying that the whole is greater than the part. So let's talk about the sixth axiom. Okay, things are double of some things are equal to the one another. It means that if I take here A is equal to A, okay, and if I take here 2 into A, it will be a 2 into A. So things are equal and getting double just because of we have multiplied A with a 2 at the both. And now we are going to talk about the seventh axiom. What is seventh axiom? Seventh axiom: things are half of some things are equal to one another. Means if x is equal to b by 2 and y is equal to b by 2, so we can write here like this: x is equal to the y. This is all nothing but the seventh axiom. Okay, so this is all about the axiom of geometry, and right now we have talked about the axioms. So we have a seven